Welcome back to this tutorial in CapCut video editing app. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on how to extract and export only audio file in CapCut. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about CapCut video editing software. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing we want to do here, I'm going to bring this particular clip into the timeline. So I will just click on this plus sign right here just to import the video to the timeline. All right, next thing I want to do here is to make sure I right click on this particular video in the timeline and I'm going to choose extract audio. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I select the video clip, then I'll press delete key on my keyboard. Boom. The next thing I'm going to do is to navigate to my export tab right here. Then right here, I'm going to enter the title. So from this point here, I need to title it audio. Then I have to come to resolution here. You can just leave it in 1080 pixels. Then from the format right here, you can also leave it in MP4. Then you have to come down below here, make sure MP3 here is checked. MP3, then come down below right here. When you are able to do your settings, click on export right here. So after a successful export the file, you can simply head over to your export folder. So on my desktop right here, then I have to navigate to my desktop. Then my CapCut project right here, I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. Then we have the file name to be audio. I'm going to open the folder. Then here we have it. So this is my audio file. So by the time I select that particular file and I come to the top right here, I click on open, then it's going to automatically start playing the audio. So this is how you can basically extract and export your audio file in CapCut video editing software. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about CapCut video editing software. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.